partition chromatography. In this partition chromatography, separation of mixture of components takes place between two phases via stationary phase and a mobile phase, standard stationary phase and a mobile phase. These both phases are liquid phases and immiscible phases. Okay, partition. Here the partition means two liquid things like a stationary phase and mobile phase. These are both phases. These are immiscible. So the separation of compounds occur. The mixture of compounds takes place between two phases. Okay. Next, separation process. We will see the separation process. The separation process. The mixture of components are separated between two, like stationary and mobile phase. The sample components which are more soluble in mobile phase, these are like here the components which are more soluble in mobile phase migrate fast and less soluble are like slowly. Okay, here mobile phase la kalchipode like soluble అయిపోతే fast, like fast it will be, we can migrate it fast, and here less soluble less slowly migrates, so that thereby separation occurs, slow separation here, and more soluble more migrate fast, so fast separation. Here less soluble and less soluble in mobile phase, slow, thereby separation slow occurs. Separation or distribution of components between stationary and mobile phases at a constant temperature. Okay, separation of or distribution of components, here the stationary and mobile phase at a constant temperature in an ideal conditions is known as a partition coefficient formula. We have a formula for this is partition coefficient, and we'll see. Formula is called K is equal to CS by Cm. K is equal to partition coefficient, and S is equal to CS is equal to concentration of sample in stationary phase. Cm is equal to concentration of sample in a mobile phase. Partition coefficient in this is the concentration of sample in the stationary phase, concentration of sample in the mobile phase. Here K, if K is increased, the more efficient separation take place, because the partition coefficient is increasing, the more separation will be take place. Okay, we will see. As in we have completed the partition chromatography, next we will going to learn about the column chromatography in our next video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Don't remember this formula because K is the partition coefficient and CS is an remember, like K is a partition coefficient and CS here that S it means stationary phase, M it means mobile phase, and like it's an easy one formula when compared with the another formulas. And here this is partition chromatography, and we have seen that, and we have completed the separation process, like how more soluble, less soluble, migrate fast, low.